Okay, so a lot of updates that have come in, but it's descended now to this, where you've got a social media fight playing out between the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister. Maybe that's what woke up the High Command to realize that, look, we have to address the crisis at hand. We can't afford to look the other way anymore. If there is a decision taken in favor of DK Shivkumar over the next few days, it will mean that the Congress, for the first time in a crisis that they faced similarly in many other states, have chosen to take a stand and chosen to take a stand for the younger leader for the first time. So we will have to see if that actually happens, and then how, if that happens, do they actually placate Siddaramaiah. Before I decode that with our reporters, I just want to also break down for you the other big pressure tactic game we've been seeing on the lines of caste. Siddaramaiah, a Kuruba leader, representative of the Ahinda groups, OBC leader, huge necessity for the Congress to keep him happy, to keep that vote bank happy. So they can't afford to upset him or let him go just like that. He needs to be satisfied. He needs to have what he refers to as a graceful exit. And then on the other hand, DK Shivkumar, influential Vokkaliga leader. Vokkaligas do have a big say in politics in Karnataka. So it is a catch-22 situation for the Congress. Add to that, to make it all the more harder, is the fact that both sides are also piling pressure. And how? Take a look at our next report.
Karnataka's power tussle has entered the spiritual sphere. What began as a quiet leadership churn within the Congress is now playing out in public through prayers, proclamations and pressure tactics. In a clear political signal, Vokkaliga seers are openly batting for DK Shivkumar. After a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister, the seers claimed he was promised the Chief Minister's post by the Congress High Command.
ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ 75 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ರಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವರ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್, ನಾನು ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಅವರ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್, ಅವರ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಮಾತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿಂದ
The endorsement sharpens the fault line inside the ruling party, with caste backing now being openly mobilized. The push for Shivakumar is being challenged just as strongly. OBC seers backing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah have hit back.
ಸಂವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಠಾಧೀಶರು ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗೋ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸಂವಿಧಾನಿಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಶಾಸಕರಿಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಶಾಸಕರು ಯಾರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಿರ್ಣಯನ ಶಾಸಕರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊರತು ಯಾವುದೋ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು.
The spiritual divide is now mirroring the political battle lines. Even as seers debate in Bengaluru, Siddaramaiah's supporters are turning to faith in Kalaburagi. At the Sharana Vasaveshwara temple, his followers performed a mass ritual, breaking 101 coconuts and beating drums, praying for his uninterrupted 5-year term as Chief Minister. Supporters call it devotion. Critics call it political muscle flexing. But the message is unmistakable. Siddaramaiah still commands deep emotional and social backing. Now, a Dalit seer has added yet another layer to the unfolding drama. He has said that Karnataka should have a Dalit Chief Minister if Siddaramaiah steps down, opening a fresh front in the leadership debate.
ಯಾರೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ್ರೂ ಅಥವಾ ಈಗಿರುವ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳೇ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳ ಕಡೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಜನರ ಇದು ಮನವಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ದಿನಗಳಿಂದಲೂ ಕೂಡ ದಲಿತ CM ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಕಾರ್ಯಗತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
If DK Shivkumar is elevated, the party will have to immediately placate OBC and Dalit groups with big ticket positions in the government and party organization. A Vokkaliga Chief Minister would tilt the power balance in the state, risking pushback from Siddaramaiah's strong OBC support base. And with Dalits also raising their demands, the Congress is suddenly juggling pressure from 3 powerful social blocs at once. For now, Siddaramaiah continues as Chief Minister. But as seers issue endorsements, supporters offer prayers and caste equations harden on the ground. The Congress party in Karnataka finds itself walking a tight political tightrope. Bureau Report, India Today.